What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be giving a brief update on Lil Mosey's trial. As you could tell by the name of the video and everything, the trial has officially started. We're going to look at an article and I'm going to get you guys up to date on what's happened so far, where we're at right now. And I'll probably make another video or two throughout the trial as we get more information if something big happens. So in early December, on December 8th, it was confirmed that Mosey's trial had been delayed yet again until February of this year. That leads us to today. Obviously now it's late February 2023, and it says that the trial in the R case involving rapper Lil Mosey and Bandkid J begins. So this is from the very first day of the trial for both Bandkid J and Mosey. And the article starts off by saying that after 2 years of delays, because I believe this was back in 2020 when we originally got this news, the trial for rappers Mosey and Bandkid J began this Tuesday in the Lewis County Superior Court. The two face second-degree R charges for allegedly having sex with the victim at a party on January 6, 2020. This was while she was incapable of giving consent due to intoxication. The charges carry maximum penalties of life in prison. Now, I don't think either of them are gonna get life, but that is the highest thing that they could get charged with. And there was a third man in the case, Francisco Prater. He will be facing a trial separately due to witness statements affecting Prater's case, specifically that required further follow-up investigation by his defense attorney. His trial date has not yet been set up. So charges against all three of these guys, including Mosey, were filed in April 2021, and then they were officially charged in June of 2021. Keep in mind that all of this is allegedly right now. Obviously, they're in court, so we're gonna find out whatever the judge finds out or whatever the truth is. But as of right now, everything is just allegedly. The victim reportedly told police that she had gone to a party to see Lil Mosey. She had consumed alcohol and eventually blacked out. Mosey and Prater are accused of having sex with her while she was incapable of consent by reason of being physically helpless or mentally incapacitated. According to court documents, Darrow is accused of restraining the alleged victim during the incident. The first day of the trial consisted of jury selection, opening statements, and a testimony from the victim. And then it goes on to say that 9 days have been set aside for the trial, and it will end on Friday, March 3rd. Now, I tried to see if there was any footage of the trial because, like the X trial, for example, we obviously can watch live. I haven't found anything yet. Maybe we will end up getting something, but if we do get footage or anything of the trial itself, I'll put that in or talk about that in a later video. But that's everything for this video. It's pretty much just what we had already known, other than the trial has now started. And then the victim gave an opening statement on court. I believe it said Wednesday. So this will be going for a little bit longer than a week. Like I said, if we get any kind of big information, especially when we find out if Mosey's guilty or not, whatever the judge decides, or the jury actually, whatever they end up deciding, then we'll obviously make an updated video about that, because the outcome of this case is going to impact not only Mosey's career even more than it has, it's going to impact the music he releases. Basically, Mosey's whole career is impacted by this case. With all this being said, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.